Meaning of Iceland.
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 Iceland. Iceland is a Nordic island country in the North Atlantic Ocean, known for its stunning natural scenery, including glaciers, geysers, and hot springs. The country's name reflects its unique geography, as it is a land of ice and fire, with active volcanoes and vast areas of glacial ice. The Icelandic language has preserved many ancient grammatical features and vocabulary, making it a fascinating subject of study for linguists. Iceland has a rich cultural heritage, including literature, music, and art, and is also known for its progressive social policies and commitment to environmental sustainability.